I'm gonna show you how to make a whole body whitening soap at home. Do you know how this homemade soap got a beautiful blue color? I used butterfly pea flowers for this homemade soap. This homemade butterfly pea flower soap brightens the skin, heals acne on the face and removes dark spots and scars. Get rid of skin infections. Also, this soap makes the skin healthy and beautiful. This butterfly pea flower is an antioxidant. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C and vitamin I. This heals damaged skin very fastly and gives glowing skin. Let's see how to make this soap. Before that, subscribe to the channel and click the bell button for latest updates. First, you take piece of aloe leaf. Add aloe vera gel to a blender cup. Add 5 or 6 butterfly pea flowers. Now blend it. Take soap base, chop into pieces. Take in a bowl and put them. Melt it by double boiler method. Pour the yellow butterfly pea flower paste. Mix it well. Add drops of essential oil for smell. Mix well. Take a soap mold. Pour the soap mixture. Then keep it in the fridge for 2 hours.